welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the trending effect called "in the bushes" on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So this effect is basically a bush behind you, and if you lean back, you can see yourself disappear in the bush slowly. If you have seen Simpsons, in that we can see Homer do the same, where he slowly walks back into the bush after he has been rejected to a neighbor's family gathering. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the search and search for "in the bushes." You should see this in your search results. The effect will look like this, so tap on it. Now here, check out how others have used this. If you don't see this effect, then that means it's still not available for you. So keep waiting, as TikTok will slowly roll it out for everyone. Tap on "use this effect" once you're ready. Now make sure to turn on your front camera. Now lean forward and you should see yourself appear on the camera. You should be at least a foot away from the camera. Now slowly move back and you should see yourself disappear into the bush. Now go ahead and think of a creative idea and then create your video using this effect. And that is how to use the effect called "in the bush" on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.